Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. Today we are going to make a delicious and nutritious snack, postbiotic matcha yogurt bites. These bites are easy to make and perfect for boosting your gut health. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need just 3 simple ingredients. Half cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of our Koso original, 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. Yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics. They help support healthy gut. Including yogurt in your diet can help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is crucial for digestion and overall health. If you can't have daily, you can use plant-based yogurt. Matcha is rich in antioxidants that has anti-inflammatory properties. It's not only great for your overall health, but also supports a healthy gut by reducing inflammation and promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Our Koso is a Japanese fermented drink which is made of more than 100 ingredients and fermented over 1 year. It is rich in postbiotics, which are bioactive compounds produced during the fermentation process. Postbiotics support gut health by enhancing the growth of beneficial bacteria and reducing the inflammation. This postbiotic frozen matcha yogurt bite is so easy to make as always. All you need to do is combine everything in a mixing bowl and mix until everything well combined and spoon the mixture into a mold. You can use any shape you like. These bites are going to be so cute and tasty. Place the mold in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours or until the yogurt bites are fully set. Once they are set, simply pop them out of the mold. Perfect for a quick snack or refreshing treat. The combination of yogurt, matcha, and our Koso not only tastes great, but also support your gut health. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gut-friendly recipes. Let us know in the comment below how you like them if you tried these postbiotic matcha yogurt bites. Cheers to good gut health with our Koso. Thank you for watching.